Mufti Muhammad Taqi Osmani led an insightful session during his recent visit to the Zayed Fund. A globally respected authority in Islamic finance, Mufti Usmani was briefed on the fund's Sharia-compliant model focused on empowering entrepreneurs and building sustainable businesses. He appreciated the vision behind the initiative and emphasized the importance of operational integrity, especially in Murabbaha contracts, noting that every team member must understand the process thoroughly to avoid elements of riba. Mufti Muhammad Taqi Osmani also reminded that while Murabbaha is widely used today, it is a transitional tool. The true objective must be to evolve toward partnership-based models like Mudarbi and Musharaka. He concluded the session with heartfelt prayers for the continued growth of ethical, Sharia-based financial systems.